Welcome Diamond Auto Parts guests. I'm Gabe Argo. I'm here to show you one of our hottest rebuilders on our lot. This is a 2015 Chevy Impala LTZ with the blind spot, also the xenon headlights and LED taillights or LED fog lights. Pop open the hood here. Properly running 2.4 liter engine. The right side, it will need some proper repairs with the fender, the door, and the rear door. Bad dog leg there. In the rear, properly running taillights, backup camera, with also the parking sensors. Left side is all good. Hop in here to the driver's seat. As you can see, the 53,117 original miles. And the proper running touchscreen with smartphone capabilities. Also heated seats and the special leather seats.